If you were born in 2023, 2011, 1999, 1987, 1975, 1963, or 1951, then you belong to the sign of the rabbit. In the 2026 year of the fire horse, you are stepping into a beautiful paradox. You are the star standing in the spotlight, receiving applause, but the floorboards of the stage beneath your feet are quietly cracking. This is the hook of your destiny this year. You will experience extreme popularity and visibility. Yet, your foundation, your relationships and trust circles is undergoing a great restructuring. The fire of the horse year burns the wood of your rabbit sign, meaning you must shine bright, but be careful not to burn out. Let's dive deep into your wealth and career. Your financial chart shows a clear trend. Active wealth. Because you are supported by the mentor energy, your income from your career, your salary, or business revenue will see a significant boost. If you put in the work, the money follows. However, there is a massive trap. A disruptive star is affecting your finances. This means you must strictly follow the no lending rule. Do not lend money to friends, and do not sign as a guarantor. The energy suggests that money leaving your pocket this year will likely never return, and it will take the friendship with it. Regarding your career and status, you are blessed by the elevation energy. This energy lifts you up. If you are an employee, this is the year for a promotion. If you run a business, your brand reputation will spread. But here is the shadow side. Success breeds jealousy. The gossip star is following you. As you rise, people will talk behind your back. Your strategy is simple. Silence is golden. Do not argue. If you engage in conflict, you lose. If you ignore the noise and deliver results, you win. Now, let's look at love and relationships. This is a year of extremes. For singles, you are incredibly magnetic. The sky happiness energy brings long-term commitment. It is an excellent year to get married or start a family. A wedding this year can actually wash away the negative energy of the cracking stage. For couples, this is a danger zone. The combination of the salty pool star and the restructuring energy creates the perfect storm for third-party interference. You might face temptations that seem exciting but are actually traps. An affair this year will destroy your reputation instantly. Next, your health. This requires serious attention. The fire energy of 2026 is too strong for your wood system. First, the skin and lungs. The restructuring energy attacks your body's defense systems. You are highly prone to skin allergies, eczema, or respiratory infections. You need to keep your air clean. Second, the digestive system. Because of your high social popularity, you will be dining out frequently. Be careful of overeating and alcohol, which will damage your stomach. Third, metal injury. There is a risk of injury from sharp objects or minor car accidents. Be an extra defensive driver this year. How does this affect your specific generation? Let's analyze from the youngest to the eldest. The 2023 toddler rabbit. For these little ones, parents need to be vigilant about contact sensitivities. The chart indicates issues with the trachea and skin. Ensure their bedding, sheets, and body wash are organic or chemical-free to avoid rashes or respiratory allergies. The 2011 teen rabbit. A year of academic focus where concentration improves, making it perfect for learning new languages. However, expect some teenage rebellion. Try to communicate with them patiently instead of fighting, as they are finding their own voice. The 1999 young adult rabbit. You have great career support from elders, but your mental health is fragile due to overthinking. Do not let your anxiety sabotage your work performance, and stay away from messy love triangles that could damage your early career. The 1987 midlife rabbit. You are hitting a midlife shift and will feel a desperate urge to change jobs. but your decision-making is unstable. Stability is your only safety net this year. Satisfy the urge for change by renovating your home instead of quitting your job. The 1975 Senior Rabbit. You are entering a creative peak with brilliant new ideas, but you are the main target of competitors. Your innovation is your weapon, but secrecy is your shield. Do not reveal your plans until they are launched to prevent theft. The 1963 Wise Rabbit. Financial luck is good with small investment returns, but do not get greedy. Your health focus must be on monitoring blood pressure. Excitement or stress could trigger heart issues, so keep your schedule relaxed. The 1951 Elder Rabbit. The restructuring energy affects your home, bringing noise or water leaks. Fix these problems immediately, as a peaceful home environment is your best medicine this year for maintaining good sleep. Finally, here is your detailed month-by-month guide. February 17th to March 18th. A slow start to the year with hidden risks. Do not make impulsive investment decisions, and avoid large-scale projects as market conditions are unclear. March 19th to April 16th. The month of conflict. Gossip is at its peak and misunderstandings happen easily. Stay low-key. Avoid signing important contracts and skip high-risk outdoor activities to prevent injury. April 17th to May 15th. Health warning for your stomach. Your digestive system is weak, so avoid raw or cold food. If you are traveling, bring medicine, as you are prone to food poisoning. May 16th to June 13th. Social peak and temptations are high. Married rabbits must set boundaries to avoid misunderstandings, while singles might meet someone charming. However, don't rush into financial commitments with new partners. June 14th to July 12th. The month of friction. This is the horse month which clashes with you. Relationships turn icy and cold wars with family are likely. Pay attention to sleep quality and drive carefully. July 13th to August 10th. A good month for travel or short trips to lift your luck. However, work pressure is high, so verify your financial plans before spending to avoid over-budgeting. August 11th to September 9th. The month of injury. Metal clashes with wood, bringing risks of cuts or traffic accidents. Be an extra defensive driver, and take care of your throat and respiratory system by avoiding spicy food. September 10th to October 8th. A month of movement. If you have plans to move house or renovate, act now, as these changes will help stabilize your luck. If not, a trip will help release the unstable energy. October 9th to November 7th. Romance is in the air. This is a great month for singles to meet new people and for professionals to expand their network. Just take time to observe before fully trusting new acquaintances. November 8th to December 7th. Career luck improves significantly. Your hard work gets recognized by bosses. However, watch out for minor leg or foot injuries during sports or exercise. December 8th to January 5th, 2027. The financial trap. Unexpected expenses will pop up. If a friend asks for a loan, remember the rule. Say no. Also, be careful with legal documents and contracts. January 6th to February 3rd, 2027. The year ends with a mix of exhaustion and household trifles. You might deal with noise or small repairs at home. Take this time to rest and prepare for the next year without forcing new projects. To summarize, 2026 is a year where you must walk the fine line between glory and risk. Enjoy the applause, but always check the floorboards beneath your feet. However, I want to leave you with a higher perspective. What we have discussed today is the general zodiac forecast. Since the rabbit sign represents only 1/12 of the global population, this prediction describes the macro climate, the weather of the year. But you are not just a statistic. You are a unique individual. At the exact moment you took your first breath, the universe stamped you with a specific set of cosmic coordinates. This is determined not just by your year, but by the precise alignment of your month, day, and hour of birth. While the zodiac shows you the storm, your personal chart gives you the compass. It creates a hyper-precise map of your destiny, revealing exactly which doors will open for you and which traps are hidden specifically on your path. If you are ready to move beyond general predictions and discover the precise blueprint of your life for 2026, I have prepared a gateway for you. Click the link in the pinned comment below. There, you can access your comprehensive, personalized destiny reading. Don't just guess your future. Navigate it with precision.